Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by powering the essentials. Put fresh batteries in the universal remote and turn the Dynex TV on. Once done, sit about 3 to 6 feet from the set and remove obstacles. This ensures infrared signals register. Make sure the remote is in the correct input mode. Many remotes have a TV button or device selector. Press and hold the remote setup or TV key until an LED lights. This tells you the remote is ready to accept a code. Next, you either enter the Dynex manufacturer code or use auto search. If you have the code list, press the TV key, then type the code digits. The LED will blink to confirm. If you don't, activate auto search. Hold setup, then press power or channel up until the TV responds, then store that code. Test power, volume, and input right away to confirm full control. If some functions fail, try alternate codes for Dynex from the code bank. Finally, you save the working code so the remote remembers it. Press the store or enter key as instructed until the LED confirms. Verify by cycling through power, volume, input, and menu navigation. If control is partial, repeat the auto search or try codes for compatible brands like RCA or Samsung that sometimes work with Dynex. If the remote won't respond at all, remove batteries for 10 seconds to reset, then repeat programming. One quick tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.